Hey, what's up guys? Today we are checking out something small, portable and surprisingly useful, especially if you are in the CCTV or security world. And this is the Livion 10.5-inch portable Full HD IPS monitor, and for a compact travel display, it actually punches way above its size. So first of all, the design, it's clean, lightweight and comes in just over a kilo in the box. It's the kind of display you can slide into a backpack, toolkit or even a laptop sleeve without thinking twice. And the best part, dual USB-C, one capable of power, video and audio. If you have used portable monitors before, you know that is the way to go. Now let's talk about the panel, because honestly, this is where the Livion PM101 surprised me. It's a 10.5-inch IPS display. It's Full HD 1920 by 1280 with 100% sRGB color reproduction. So yeah, even though it's small, it doesn't look washed out or cheap. And the color's accurate. Viewing angles are wide, 178 degrees horizontal and 170 degrees vertical, and brightness hits 400 nits, which is actually pretty solid for a portable screen. And if you're using this for CCTV monitoring, the clarity and contrast 15,000 to 1 make a noticeable difference. You can see finer details, better highlight separation, and overall, you get a cleaner surveillance feed. This is where this thing really earns its keep. If you're a technician doing on-site setups or troubleshooting, having a display this small, this bright, makes it ridiculously convenient. So no need to pull up your laptop, no massive monitor strapped to a trolley. Just plug this into your NVR, camera or inspection device and you're good to go. And also, it's just not for CCTV. Use it as a second screen for your laptop, a portable display for your console, a tiny desktop extension for a Raspberry Pi, or even quick presentation monitor when you are out on the road. And also, it has a built-in speaker, not studio quality but fine for alerts, videos and quick monitoring. And in the box, you will get the monitor, a USB-C cable, a mini HDMI cable, and a protective sleeve. It's pretty clean and pretty simple. Okay, here's the specs in 20 seconds. It's 10.5-inch IPS panel, 1920 by 1280 resolution, 100% sRGB, 400 nits of brightness, 1500 to 1 contrast, 60 Hz refresh rate, 5 ms response time, USB-C plus mini HDMI, built-in speakers, and you get 1 year warranty for Australia and New Zealand. So here's the real takeaway. If you are a CCTV installer, security technician, a traveler, or anyone who needs a clean, bright, reliable portable display, this is honestly a no-brainer. It is compact, it is color accurate, it is plug and play, and at this size and price point is easily one of the most practical accessories you can throw into your toolkit. And that's the Livion 10.5-inch portable FHD IPS monitor, small package, big utility. And if you want to check it out, you can grab yours from CCTV Trading. And thanks for watching. Hit the like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more tech content, and as always, see you in the next one.